So going in today, we noticed that these sell side liquidities end up getting respected, expecting a reversal on these high time frames. Moving on to an hourly time frame, as pre-market started to go in an upwards trend with Asia and London following, um, and pre-market mostly. As New York market open, we had these highs up here that ended up getting swept. We didn't end up sweeping this liquidity level, which was like 3 days ago. These highs ended up getting swept on NQ. ES failed to sweep that, making our high time frame SMT. Since we had our PD arrays right here, I was mostly looking at our 4-hour BPR resting down below and our important levels of liquidity, which would have been London's lows, Asia's lows, and I think we had another PD array from pre-market, which was a 15 to an hour PD array. So moving on to market open, when market opened, like I said, we ended up sweeping these on NQ, ES failed, creating our SMT. So I was having a bearish bias overall, because of all the liquidity we generated and PD array on the left side. We noticed that this right here was our 5-minute market structure shift. I then noticed that we had a 5-minute PD array from this huge leg down. I'd moved on to 1-minute time frame, and I see that this was getting disrespected. This 1-minute PD array was getting disrespected, and then we had this 1-minute PD array or fair value gap right up here, and I enter off inverse fair value gaps, and this is where my entry was at. Stop loss at these highs, targeting these levels of liquidity or the 4-hour BPR that we had down here. So other than that, it was pretty easy on what was expected with price on a higher time frame. Going to lower time frame, just follow the trend basically. The one thing that I do want to have all eyes on is this new day opening gap that we failed to tap into. And yes, so eyes on this. But other than that, pretty solid week.